it's Rachel from the So Happy Quilters Association, and today is day 2 of the Festival of Quilts here at the Birmingham NEC, and we're really excited for today. We've got more interviews booked and more quilts to see, and hopefully I'm going to get some shopping done because yesterday I got virtually zero, but it was wonderful yesterday, so we're going to go in and have a fabulous day.
Could you tell us a bit about why you're here today and what you're looking forward to seeing?
Today I want to have a look at the quilts. I was here yesterday, didn't get a chance. I did the traders and things yesterday. But today I want to look at the quilts. I want to look at the sustainable and also the ones that aren't judged because they have equal value. I think they're lovely to have a look at those.
Did you manage to look at for the Joy of Sharing category, which is the one that we're sponsoring?
Oh, I didn't realize you sponsored that. No, I didn't get a chance. I will have a look at it today. That's what it's called. Yeah, the unjudged one. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, I will go have a look at that today. Definitely. I really enjoyed that last year. I think it's a great idea. Get people to enter who don't want to have their quilts judged or don't feel confident. But some of them ones last year were great. And what I liked last year, one of the judges, they've obviously been looked at those quilts, and they'd actually given it a judge's choice, which I think gave that maker a really sort of boost, sort of, yeah, I can do this, and it's good. Somebody really liked it, yeah.
And that's what we're all about as well, is everyone just joining in and doing it for the love of it, and it's what brings us all together. Have you got any projects on the go at the moment? Are you doing anything exciting?
Yeah, at the moment, yeah, I'm working on a memorial quilt for the Grenfell Tower. Bristol Quilters were involved in that project, and we're making a quilt that will actually, when it's done, put together, it will be 12 foot by 12 foot, and it will have 72 stars on it, one for each life lost in the Grenfell Tower. It's part of a big project run by a lady called Tuesday, whose daughter was a survivor of the Grenfell disaster, and they've been made all around the country. And then they will be put not together in one quilt, but they'll be shown together in 2027 at the 10-year anniversary, and that will be somewhere in a prominent gallery in London. And that's what we're working toward, yeah. So that's an exciting project to be involved in.
Exciting and so important.
Hello, are you excited for the Festival of Quilts?
Indeed, yes.
What are you actually going to do? Looking for anything in particular?
No, I've never been here before.
Have you not? Oh, how excited. So you actually don't know what you're going to be expecting. Hello, are you excited for the Festival of Quilts? Have you been here before? You haven't as well. It's really interesting the amount of people that actually haven't.
Okay, so we're here outside the Festival of Quilts 2025 with this lovely group of people. Are you all friends? Have you come here to?
Yes, we're all friends.
Amazing.
Coming into the queue at the Festival of Quilts 7 years ago, so it's our anniversary.
Really? That's amazing. I wish. So what is the main reason why you're here today? What are you hoping to get? I'll ask you first, and what's the main reason?
To be with my amazing quilted friends and just to get inspiration, shop and just be happy.
Yeah, absolutely. And what about yourself?
Oh, love of colour. Yeah, I really want to see the colour and everything that inspires me.
Were you here yesterday? No, day one. I love that. And what about yourself?
The inspiration, just to see new techniques and fabrics, and probably buy some stuff as well.
Yes, maybe.
Is there a particular project you're working on at the minute, or are you just here to get some ideas?
Always lots of projects. Lots of UFOs, little bits that need finishing off, and there'll always be something new that isn't on the list that will come in the bag and come home with me. Absolutely.
I don't want to talk about UFOs, if you don't mind, because they're in the corner, just getting higher and higher. But yeah, all the inspiration that you have here. I don't know what's out there at the moment. I just am going to enjoy looking.
Yeah. And do you have anything in mind in particular?
I think just seeing different colours, seeing what people do with different colours, different designers, just to sort of say, oh, could I take that home and try that for myself?
I love that. I love how this has really brought a lot of creative people together.
Oh, I love your patchwork jacket. I love your jacket. That's really. Did you make it?
I did, yeah.
Oh, it's really, really lovely. So have you been to the show before?
Yeah, I came yesterday.
Oh.
And I have been other years as well.
Ah, lovely.
The one word each of like what this day means to you. Could you please quickly do that for me?
Sheer joy.
Friendship and happiness.
Yeah, colour.
Love that. Thank you so much.
Oh, I like your Winnie the Pooh top.
Thank you.
Are you excited for the show?
Yeah.
What you heading for?
Anything really.
Anything?
Yeah, come every year.
Oh, do you? So what do you usually buy?
Cotton fabrics for quick, yeah.
Oh, for quilting. Ah.
So I'm here with Lindsay in the queue for the Festival of Quilts 2025, and I was really hoping you could just tell us all a bit more about what you were saying about like you being here and why you come and what you're looking forward to.
Oh, I'm looking forward to doing my workshops that I'm booked on. I'm just having a really good look round, chat with people, like-minded people. Yeah, just interested in all that, seeing friends.
And you were supposed to be here with a friend and you've travelled from Essex, is that right? And you were saying how you don't mind being on your own?
No, because you've got so many like-minded people around. It's, you just meet anybody, sit you chat up, really good time.
And what workshops are you booked onto?
Print and stitch, and then this evening I'm doing a free machine embroidery one.
And please do show off your amazing bag because I spotted that and I love a bee. I love the honeycomb. And what you were telling me who?
It was a Stuart Hillard one that he did for Sewing Street, so quite a few years ago now. But it's got big, roomy pockets, so it's just brilliant.
This is the workshop area here at Festival of Quilts. There is 12 rooms and they're all doing lots of lovely, lovely workshops. It's actually quite nice to do a workshop because you get to sit down and do something and just rest for a bit. I quite like doing workshops. Here's my friend Sarah. Can I come give you a hug? I'm just filming for my YouTube channel, Sarah. Hello, my lovely. How are you?
I'm all right, thank you. How are you?
I am good. I am good. We've come to talk to Nettie. What are you teaching? Baubles. Oh yes, in your Liberty fabric, of course, Sarah. We love our Liberty fabric, don't we? And of course, the amazing Claire is here from So Easy Tables.
So I'm going to use, I want a really, really nice piece. So if you wanted to put in a hem, if you wanted to put in a pocket, it means that if you're saying, down to 4 inch out.
we've had the most amazing time here at Festival of Quilts, and unfortunately we only can do 2 days because we're booked to go to Lucy Boston's house tomorrow to see the Patchwork of Crosses, and you know I've been waiting for a whole year to go there, so it's really a shame, but to see our logo up here has just been phenomenal. So we've had a wonderful time, so I hope you've enjoyed all the videos that we've done and you've managed to get through them okay. So we're now going and we're going to go get lots of cups of tea, and I'll see you on the next video. See you later, bye.
Come along to our first So Happy Quilters Association quilt show at Brighton Racecourse. Tickets available on our website. You can find the So Happy Quilters Association on social media, and don't forget to subscribe.